Hey everyone, so it's Rob from Archie and Me without Archie, and I'm down near Portsmouth Way, Ringwood, at a company called PROPEX. So that's the van mounted up. So literally today come down here to have the LPG heating system fitted. So it's been in since 8:30, should be done in a couple of hours, and then we'll be on our way to go and pick up the compressor fridge from Just Campers. But I'll quickly show you around underneath the vehicle what they've done so far and all that sort of stuff. So it's pretty amazing. It's a 4 kilowatt heating system with 2 vents and an extra hose for the gas hob as well that they've put in for me. So pretty amazing. So I'll quickly show you over there, so stay tuned. So there's the van. There's one piping system that goes through here, and that will go underneath the bed and come back out through the box seat near the sliding door. So underneath there's the heating system, all fitted in, and that's all piped through to the 2 vents. An outlet, I believe, cooling 2 inlets to either side of one to the kitchen, one to the box seat by the front door, the side door should I say, and then the 25 kilo LPG tank which is fitted in there, and then obviously at the side here is the filling point for LPG. So pretty amazing, and fingers crossed it's definitely worth it, all the investment for heating. It's so weird seeing your van underneath. So that's my LPG heating system. And it's funny as well because now the van's up. I know I haven't got the spare wheel fitted as yet, but I've had this nagging noise for ages and I've been wondering what it was. And it's that. So yeah, I'm good. So yeah, that's my heating system little video. So only short and sweet because I'm not obviously fitting it, but these guys are amazing and I'll leave their links below. So again, hopefully in a couple of hours the heating system will be fitted. On my way towards Basingstoke to collect the Dometic compressor fridge and a few other things from B&Q, and then on our way to find a spot to sleep tonight. So I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.